In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent text effect in Canva. This is a simple yet effective technique that can add a touch of elegance and professionalism to your design projects. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or any other visual content, mastering this skill can truly make your work stand out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Canva project where you have the text you'd like to make transparent. Once you're in your project, click on the text you wish to adjust. This action highlights the text, making it easier for you to apply different effects and changes. You will know the text is highlighted when you see a blue border surrounding it. This indicates that it's active and ready for editing. Now direct your attention to the toolbar that appears above your workspace. Here you'll find an icon that resembles a checkerboard or grid pattern, which represents the transparency tool. Click on this transparency icon. It's essential to remember that the transparency tool is typically located towards the right side of your toolbar. However, if you're using a smaller screen, you might need to scroll or look for it in a drop-down menu. Clicking this icon will open a small slider control. This slider allows you to adjust the transparency level of your highlighted text. By default, the slider is set to 100%, which means your text is fully opaque. Gently slide it to the left to decrease the opacity. As you move the slider, you'll notice that your text becomes more translucent. This can be particularly useful for creating overlay effects or ensuring your text doesn't overpower your background image. When adjusting the transparency, the key is to find the right balance. You don't want your text to be so transparent that it blends completely with the background and becomes unreadable, nor do you want it so opaque that it looks disconnected from your design. Often a transparency setting somewhere between 20 to 60% works well, but feel free to experiment with different levels until you find what suits your specific design best. Once you've adjusted the transparency to your liking, take a step back and view your entire design to ensure everything works cohesively. Consider the colors and brightness of your background and other design elements. Remember, the goal is to achieve a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing result. There you have it, a straightforward method to add a professional transparent text effect using Canva. Mastering this technique will enhance your design skills and help you create visually captivating projects with ease. Thanks for watching and happy designing!